So today I'm going to show you how to solve this word problem using the standard algorithm for division. The word problem says a high school has 5,743 books. If they want to divide those books equally among 4 grade levels, how many books will each grade get? So we know that each grade represents one group. Because we want to know how many of the 5,743 books each grade will get, we know this is a how many units in each group problem. And to solve that, we are going to take 5,743 and divide it by 4. So the first step is to write the problem like this. And the first question we need to ask ourselves is, how many times can this 4 go into the 5? So we know that 4 can go into 5 one time. Now, what we're really saying is, how many times can this 4 go into 5,000? Because this is in the thousands place. So we know that 4 can go into 5,000 1,000 times. So 4 times 1 is 4. Or 1,000 times 4 is 4,000 because we are subtracting in the thousands place. So 5 minus 4 is 1. The next step is to bring down the next place value. So the next place value is a 7, and it's in the hundredths place. So we have 17, or 1,700. So we are trying to see how many times this 4 can go into the 17, or how many times 4 can go into 1,700. We know it can go in there 4 times. So 4 can go into 1,700 400 times. So now we're going to take this 4 and multiply it by 4, which is 16. And now we subtract. So 17 minus 16 is 1. Now we need to bring down the tens place value, which is a 4. So again, we're seeing how many times 4 can go into 14, or how many times 4 can go into 140. So 4 can go into 14 3 times. And 3 times 4 is 12. When we subtract 14 minus 12, we get 2. And now we need to bring down the last place value, which is a 3. Now what we are asking for this is the same as what it really is. So how many times can 4 go into 23? We know it can go into 23 5 times, because 5 times 4 is 20. Now we're out of place values to bring down. And the answer, the remainder that we're left with, is 3. So we know that each grade is going to get 1,435 books. But what does this 3 remainder mean? We can't divide 3 books equally among 4 grade levels. So those 3 books are just going to be extra, and that's called a remainder. So again, each grade will get 1,435 books with 3 books remaining. And that's your answer.